guys, we are back in today. I'll be unboxing something. We're gonna find out. I have a few boxes. I'm not sure what I have, so we're gonna go see what we are getting. Okay, open box. Open sesame. And this is Ms.W Wrinkle Eliminator device. Okay, I think this is our face light. We're gonna see. So it comes with a nice box, nicely packed, which is nice. Face and neck massager. Okay, and this is made in China, as you guys can see. Small box. Let's go see what it looks like. Oh, nice. So this is a Ms.W Facial Massager. It is $79.99 right now in Amazon. It's very nice and neat. I like the look of it. Ergonomic design and very lightweight. Okay, and then let's go try. So does it glide? Okay, glide easy. Okay. So that is that USB here, it says. Let's go try to look. Oh man, this is not using a USB-C, so that is a 1-point deduction for me. I really hate that they don't use a USB-C. Right now they should be using that right now. Okay, let me see when this one came out. I think this came out this year. Okay, so very lightweight. I love the feeling of it. It's definitely quality material they use, and the design kind of reminds me of a whale. Don't you guys think? It's pretty. Okay, now let's go see what else is in the box. I haven't seen an instruction yet. Oh, there it is. So there is this cloth. Let's see what kind of cloth this is. I assume this is for cleaning. Nice cloth. It feels nice, I guess. Problem on this is if you have an oil or lotion in your hand, kind of makes it slippery. And now this is the manual. Let's go try to go see what's in the manual. Okay, look wise though, I think it is $79.99. I'm not sure yet. It is made of quality material, and it looks like the manuals tells you a lot of information. Low speed, medium speed, and high mode. And it gives out 3 different light: red, green, and blue. Depends on what you need for your face. And then this is the cord. Like I said, I am very disappointed that you guys did not use a USB-C, but at least this is a nice quality cord. It doesn't seem to gonna be break fast. Pretty thick. Reminds me a little bit on an apple cord. Don't you guys think? Okay, anything else? No more. Okay, let me try. I'm not gonna go put it on my eyeballs since I don't know how good this is. Let's try to press. Ooh, nice. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see how good of the quality is. So that's the green light. Nice vibration, which is nice. So you can easily adjust it based on how you're holding it. Access and nice warm. Not so hot, but nice heat coming out, and I love the portability of it. Okay, so that is the red light. I believe this is auto shut off. Okay, and that is the blue light. This you can use. I can use this on my wrist. The red light is good for pain. I read somewhere that red light is good for pain. So, and rejuvenation of the skin cells. Okay, vibration wise, this is pretty nice. It's not so hard or so strong. So the problem is, let me turn on my light. The problem that I am having an issue right now is the vibration is not much on the head, this part here, but mostly here. Well, it feels like it does have a plenty of vibration, not so hard though. So if you're expecting this to be a very strong vibration, then you are mistaken. I don't think there is other mode beside. It's just same light as, I mean, not same light, same heat and vibration, just the pressing is different color. And if I press long, it turns off. So user friendly, that's for sure. There is not much to press. So that is a good thing. So if you're using this, not looking around, I'm not sure how good it is closer to your eyes. But I think based on the light itself, it's not so bad. But I haven't read the manual yet, so I can't really judge it. I want to make sure I'm not hurting my eyes, so I'm not looking directly to the light and just looking on my screen right now. So anyway, for $79.99, is it worth it? For portability, I think it is, especially if you travel a lot and doesn't have much time to go see a doctor or go to a spa. This is a good thing to have and very easy to pack. The only complaint I have is the fact that this doesn't use a USB-C, so that means I have to bring the cord itself, because my phone doesn't use this kind of charger anymore. Hopefully the next version will be using a USB-C. So this metal here is the one that gives out the heat. Nothing on this part here. So if you're expecting the whole thing to warm up, that's not the case. Only the metal part will give you the warmth, which is pretty good. Okay, do I think it's worth $79.99? I don't think so. Because the fact that they don't use USB-C, that's kind of like a big bummer. I would think this is some $50 the most. I know those light therapy kind of thing is expensive, but for what it is, I think I can only pay $50 the most for it, and not $79.99. For the usability, portability, I think if you have the money, then go for it. I will buy it if I have that money, and if I travel a lot, I needed something that I can pack so quick. It doesn't really need so much, how do you call it, space to store. And it's very cute. You can just leave it in the counter and it looks like it's a fish. It doesn't come with a bag, I don't think. Nope. So this is what you get, really. So without the box, you're paying for this stuff for $79.99. Are you willing to pay for that? I'm not. But if I have the money and I really need something like this, and if it works, this kind of stuff, you have to wait about 4 weeks to really see a difference. So based on my experience from other therapy light, it's not something that we're gonna go work instantly, but based on the weight loss, ergonomic design, quality wise, it's pretty nice. But still, I'm not gonna go pay $79.99 for that. I think it's too much. $50, and yes, I'll get it. So with that said, let me know what you guys think. Will you buy this for that price? Do you guys have something similar? And do you mind having this kind of USB-C? Oh, I mean USB port here. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but there is no battery indicator, so that is another thing. I wish there is. They could just add something in here that tells you, hey, you will need to charge me. But that is another thing. I did not see anything for you to know the battery life or how many battery left, and so you just have to kind of like watch and feel. Vibration wise, it does gives out an enough vibration that does not gonna go make you have a headache, so that's a good thing. Heat wise, I'm liking it. Simple, user friendly. The only thing that's gonna be like this power button here is turning on and changing the light, and that is that, nothing else. And with that as said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.